Now let's look at this question over here. Before we talk about this question, let's look at the line of symmetry for regular polygon. For example, we have five-sided assuming D is regular polygon, pentagon, five-sided. Now, where the axis symmetry? If it is an odd number of odd side polygon, regular polygon, then the axis of symmetry is very simple. So from the vertex to the midpoint of D. So basically, if it's five-sided regular polygon, there will be five axes of symmetry. Okay, it's six-sided, that means it's six axes of symmetry. There's a difference between the odd number polygon versus the even number. For the odd number, for somebody it's five-sided. Okay, you notice that the axis symmetry also forms the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite line. Every one of them. Okay. Now, if you look at six-sided, then how would it look like? If six-sided, okay, six-sided, then axis symmetry 1, 2, 3, vertex to vertex, line of symmetry. Okay, line of symmetry. Then what else do you still have? For midpoint to midpoint, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there's another, beside the 3 vertex to vertex, you have another 3 more midpoint to midpoint. Okay, line of symmetry. So total is 6 lines of symmetry. Okay, if you consider, let's say this 5, 7-sided odd number regular polygon, there will be 7 lines of symmetry, and the line of symmetry is from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite line. Is odd-sided, 7-sided. So there will be 7 vertex to the midpoint of the opposite line. So 7 axis symmetry. If 6-sided, okay, like this case, even-sided polygon, regular polygon, there are 3 vertex to vertex and 3 midpoint to midpoint axis symmetry. Okay. If you talk about 8-sided, which are even-sided regular polygon, then there will be 4 vertex to vertex line of symmetry and 4 midpoint to midpoint line of symmetry. Then total make up 8 line of symmetry. Okay, now let's look at this question. If you look at this question, it's from here, travel all the way to here. Then you notice that this is actually line of symmetry. Okay. Okay. In other words, this angle is actually equal to this angle. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to find this angle first. The interior angle of this smaller than 5-sided regular polygon. Okay. Now, okay, so let's find A, EK, this angle. But before that, let's find the interior angle of this regular polygon. So interior angle of the smaller 5-sided regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 bracket 180 divided by n. So if this 5-sided, so it's 5 minus 2, 180 divided by 5, so it's 3 times 185 is 3 times, is 30, that is 5 divided 5 times 3, 15, so this 36, that gives you 108 degree. So this is actually 108. So we're going to take 360 minus 108, that make up 252. Okay, now remember this is axis of symmetry as I explained earlier here. So this angle here is actually, you just need to divide by 2, that gives you 126 degree. Here, 126 degree. Okay, so this for this part of the question.